start my true revenge. Feel the power of my anger. What is so worth saving? I see nothing but pain here. I see inside you. I see your guilt, your anger, confusion. In paradise, all is forgiven. You'll be at peace.
No, he's attacking my partner now. I'm going to save my partner.
Feel the pain and helplessness. You deserve it. You have taken away the beauty that should belong to me. I want you to feel the pain.
You misunderstood me. I didn't take anything from you. In fact, the master always cares about you.
Shut up. You think I will believe your nonsense? I want you to pay the price.
The owner worried that the bird would be lonely, so he specially found a new partner for it, so that the bird could be more happy and happy from now on.
It turns out that he didn't cheat me. The master really brought me a new friend.
The misunderstanding between me and Bird has finally been lifted, and now they have become the most important friends of each other.